MCP. Model Context Protocol is often called the USB-C for AI tools, and that's accurate. It makes it easy to plug an AI app into connectors like Git, file systems, ticketing, and databases. But security changes the moment AI can take actions. The risk shifts from wrong answer to wrong action. At a high level, MCP standardizes how AI apps and tool servers communicate, commonly using JSON-RPC. An MCP server can expose tools' actions the AI can request, like search repo or create issue, resources, data objects the AI can read, and sometimes prompts reusable templates. So the real security questions become, which MCP servers are we connecting to? What tools do they expose? And what permissions do those tools actually run with? Failure pattern 1. Prompt injection becomes tool injection. If your assistant reads untrusted content, web pages, PDFs, inbound tickets, hidden instructions can steer the agent into unsafe tool calls. Especially when permissions are broad. 2. Weak trust in capabilities. A server can claim what it can do, but you should treat those as requests, not truth. Your client must enforce its own allow lists and policy gates. 3. Chain risk agents often use multiple MCP servers together. Each one might be safe alone, but combined they can enable high-impact workflows. 4. Tool descriptions don't always match tool behavior. If the description is misleading, an agent can make bad decisions based on false assumptions. And 5. MCP servers are still software. Classic vulnerabilities and patching discipline still matter. Treat connectors like privileged infrastructure. Here's a practical hardening checklist before you connect MCP to production. Least privilege first. Start read-only in pilots. Search, list, fetch, summarize. Scope access tightly to specific repos, folders, projects, or queues. Approval gates. Draft only by default for outbound changes. Emails, tickets, updates require human approval for delete, merge, publish, payments, or permission changes. Injection defenses. Treat external content as untrusted, separate instructions from data, and use structured tool calls skimmers, not free-form do anything. Tool transparency checks. Audit side effects. Block tools that can do more than they claim. Observability log tool calls with server name parameters, timestamps, and user agent identity. Log approvals and what changed safely with redaction and retention limits. Containment switches. Have tools of draft-only throttles, budgets, and evidence capture ready. If you want quick wins this week, map every MCP tool as read-write irreversible. Run a tricky content resilience test on safe docs your agent reads. And do a what changed in the last 30 days. Drill server versions, tool lists, permissions, prompts, RAG sources. Remember, MCP makes integration easy, but security is not automatic. If this helped, like the video and subscribe to the AI Buzz YouTube channel. It really helps us grow and make more practical AI security guides.